Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to TechAZ. Today in this video, I'll just unbox this Granic Farms healthy snacks, which is dried blueberry. Along with this, I want to unbox three more items. This is the Elona 3-piece stainless steel knife set. In the next videos, I'm going to upload this is the Hala watch, digital watch, and this is the sunscreen. Okay, yeah, and this is the product Granic Farms healthy snacks. This package, yeah, see here, it's like 300 here. The dried blueberries, and when during the time of my purchase, it was like 304 rupees, slightly decrease in the price. Yeah, so let me just open this box once. I just want to open the package and show you the quality, whether they are reasonable at this price. This is not a recommendation or suggestion video to purchase this or something like that, but just want to show you how exactly the quality is. Yeah, this is the package inside. Anything else in the box? Nothing. So, and there is an inner package also. This one I need to tear this out also. Let me see. Granic Farms naturally sweet, purely delicious dried blueberry premium quality. Okay, yeah. Nutrition information. Okay. Yeah. So let me take this out, and we can check the dried blueberries inside. See, there is one more seal inside his to keep the freshness. So I just removing this one also. Yeah, slightly moisture is there. See if you can observe. Yeah, slightly wet. They mention they are dry. Maybe this is how they will be. I'll just taste once. Yeah, this is not a promotional video or nothing like that, but I just tasted this dried blueberry. The taste is really good, sweet and sour, both I can taste. The quality, if I have to say, they are decently good, and this is of 500 grams. Okay, 500 grams for 300 rupees. Yeah, I checked in the offline store actually, in the offline supermarket or shopping mall I visited. Not the exact brand, but it was like the price was like 400 rupees for half kilo. You can compare, and if you wish to buy, you can think of it. Here it is showing 300 now, and the product quality is decently good. Yeah, if you can see. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And this is the 3-piece set of Elona stainless steel knife set, and the Hala watch, and the sunscreen. I'll be dropping those links in the description. You can check in the description for those links. Yeah, a few points which are mentioned here. Source of protein, boost skin health, non-GMO. When stored in cool, dry and hygienic conditions, keep the jar away from direct sunlight and heat. Refrigeration is recommended for longer shelf life. So you can keep this airtight container, and you can keep it in refrigerator, fridge. Okay, yeah. And coming to the quality of this plastic bottle, okay, decently good. Okay, I'm just pressing it to show you. Okay, yeah.